Hi guys, today our chapter is very important because we are going to calculate the area and volume of the Goro crater. It is the famous in the world and located in the Tanzania. So you can see I'm already downloaded the DM data, digital elevation model data. If you didn't know how to download, then you can see my previous video. There I shown the how to be download in free the digital elevation model data. Area you can see, I show you. You see this here, Goro crater. You can see visibility very well. You can see. So in this area, we have to calculate the crater rim, also this lake area will calculate. So let's go start now. I'm going to own the DM data raster file and going to close the Google map. Okay, so first we have to change the color rim. So how do we change? Go to the symbology, and here you change the single band pseudo color. Okay, and here as you want you can change like a click just here, choose the color from here, or you can create the another new color rim, click to here, then here you can choose the options are more. I'm going to choose the catalog. Okay, just have to okay. Okay, it will be appear another color rim here more. I'm going to in the topography here, and I'm choosing the NRWC, this color ramp here. Okay, just okay, and come to down, change here quantine or equal interval, just classify. Color is the 5 here. I'm giving to here color around 150 or more, maybe 255 accepting and classified. Then say the apply and okay. See, now you can see very well the crater area. Here is the lake and this is the hill around the craters. Another, we have more option. You want to show more deep, then go to here and this color already we choose, and come to here down 250 is there, and go to in a new color ramp, catalog, okay, and topographical, and you can choose here this wiki, okay, and okay, classified, then okay, then okay. Now you can see very well visibility here. Okay, so let's go. We'll next step creating the contours. So contours, go to in the raster and come to extraction, go to contour, just click once here. Our this raster file is the Petrovo 36S. You see here I am already UTM zone changed. Okay, and 10 meter. Okay, if you give to 5 meter, then it will take much time to create the okay and produce the 3D vectors. Okay, see, run. Yes, it's finished. You can see now very well easily. So here I'm going to change a some color, like go to in property, symbology. Here you change the color. I'm choosing this color. Okay, black color, and labels you have to give to single labels here, or placement online. Okay, other nothing we have to change here, just apply and okay, it's changing. Okay, now you can see sorry, elevation, I made some mistake. come to here and change our attribute table shape field elevation. Okay, then okay. Now you can see everywhere the label will be appear. Yes, see, this level is this level, 17, 14, 70, 40. Okay, 70, 40, 70, 40. This is the lake area, and another is the upper area. Okay, so next, if you want more accuracy, then our contour will make some small, like if 5 meter intervals. So let's go, we create another one, just click here. Okay, then come to here, raster, extraction, contour, and choose our raster file is the 36 data, and here you can choose the 5 meters. Okay, then produce the 3D vectors, run. Yeah, it's okay now. Okay, and I'm going to, okay, 10 meter also here, no problem. Just want to save it, save future edge, and give to locations. Go to T creator, and here contour 5 meter, 5 m. Okay, and save as a shape file. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, okay. So no need this line, we can line we can cancel it here. Here we change the color and labels, symbology. We change the line color. I think it's okay, and thickness width is okay, no problem. Label, now we are going to single label here. Select single labels and placement online, just go, and text, text is the 10 meter, 10. So we're going to change the color here, just okay, and color I think I will make some dark, some dark red. Okay, click okay, okay, okay. Now it will be appear, you see, everywhere you can see the levels. This is the ID number. Again I made mistake, go to back here and change the attribute table field name elevations, just say okay. Okay, now elevation is here, you see now 35, somewhere 35, 35. So it's okay, we are not losing more much times, just we have to check this line 1735 meters. This is the deep, and mostly it is the around the lake, and lake upper area is this level 1714. So just we choose the 1735 meters. So next step, just top also we have to check here, top 17. This area is the hill started, mostly top of the hills in this area. Center, almost we going to choose the center, center 2001 or 2010. Just active layer and toggle edit it, then bring to selecting tool. I'm going to select the 2000, year 10, around that. Okay, we'll choose the lump sum. Okay, 2100. Yeah, it's almost the center top of the hills, or yes, and around the crater, completely covering this area. Okay, so next step, uh, I'm going to deselect. We will filter the contour. Just click, right click, and here select filter, then click on elevation, double, then equal to 1735. This we need here. So just say OK. Now you see all the 35 meter, 1735 or less you can see here. So just select one line which is the around the lake. See, this line is the around the lake. You can see very well, very well. It's looking not nice. So see, you can see it's selected and around the lake. It's no cutting, nothing cutting. So how do we do this? Now select contour, go to attribute table, and here select show me selected feature. This feature is the selected or feature. This FID should be you remember. Okay, then go again here, show me all. Okay, go where is the our selected, yeah, selected row is this one. So just once select here, control A, okay, then control and click this our data cell. Then here say toggle editing, then delete. It's saying this numbers feature deleted, no problem. Okay, now you see only one line is remaining here. This line is only, okay, this line only remaining here. So I'm going to save on, I think already saved this layer, no problem. Next step, we'll go in the raster, and come here, extraction, then choose clip raster by mask layer. Just click on here and choose the our raster layer. Okay, then oh sorry, I made some mistake. Okay, no problem. Go to in vector, come to in geometry, and say line to polygon. Just only click layer contour 5 meter already selected, and we should be save it where save to file, and here a 1735 line. Okay, just you can save file here or have many options as you like. CSV can data transfer all there. So but I'm going to save it in the first in the save file. Okay, then run it. See, our line already created the polygons. Next step, you go in the raster and come to here, extraction, contour is there, miscellaneous merge, everything is there, good, no problem. Okay, now go to the processor toolbox. Here write raster surface volume. Just click 2 times here. Our raster layer is this one, and band nothing will change, and this level, we have to choose the level here, our 1735, and method below to base level. Okay, and surface volume report, we have to save or not save, nothing. Okay, that's we like, then have to just click on here, run. Okay, now you see already the volume has been calculated and pixel count this much, or area, total area is this much already we calculated, and you can see the here report. Area is square meter and counting this much and this much. This is the, because our line is going some round here, there, but it's took the area, the filling water area. Okay, so we can say up to this level, this lake have this much waters. So this layer we can save as we want anywhere. Okay, so just uh, copy, and go to notepad, paste data here. Okay, and I'm going to save desktop and character recreator, open analysis field. Okay, then just you can, okay, close it and close from here, and all informations are here, just you can close it. So this lake already we created. Now I'm going to create the CSV points. Okay, so just click here, export, save feature, and same places, line CSV. Click OK. Don't join it, this is OK, no problem. This is OK, this is OK, OK. Then we say OK. Already our CSV file has been saved there. So created this lake area already we calculated, and now we are going to calculate the almost this area will be crater rim. So let's go start now. This line, oh, down this line already. Let's see what will be happen. So close this line, this contour, and this is the contour 10 meter. Okay, so just click here, and this down portion here nearby we have to choose the, okay, this green area 1800, mostly 1800, mostly 1800 is the heating to down. Maybe crater rim will see 1810 meters, or we check the somewhere if the down like here is the 1780 and 800. Will take a round figure, or 1810. Check another area. Another area 1810 is, I think, no problem, 1810. So just we have to save this file first. Yeah, 18 10 meter line. Okay, save first as a save file. It's okay. Okay, then click on contour, right click and go to here, toggle editing on, then filter first we have to on, then we have to go filter and choose here elevation, 2 time select equal, then 1810, sorry 1810, then just say the okay. So we can see only one line, all line other has been hide. Okay, this much line. Okay, so okay, it's okay. Then we have to go in raster extraction, clip raster by mask layer. We create first polygon, again I forget, a vector, go to geometry and line to polygon. Our line this is the contour, is active line, and if we want to save we can save, otherwise run the polygon. Yes, it's completely covered. And now next process, same the raster, add the raster layer. Our 36 is okay, and bed level 18 10 we'll choose, and below above we go to in below base level. Okay, then we have to run. Okay, we can see this much volume, okay, pixels, area this much, and you can see your report here. So we go and save the in same, we'll select here save edge, okay, and give to 18 10 level. Okay, saved, it's complete now.